Hey, how you doing? Nope, my name's not Michael. I'm the lawnmower lady, and I like fixing small engines. Today's really short video is going to be about the lawnmower manufacturers, and this I'm specifically talking about little lawn tractors, riding lawnmowers. Their dirty little secret has to do with maintenance, lubing up your deck, and all those moving parts there. Watch this. Okay, this is the mowing deck off of a smaller lawn tractor. It's a standard 42-inch deck. This one happens to come off of the guys that make the yellow and green lawn tractors. This applies to any of the more recent orange guys and the guys that make the red ones as well. When you do go to replace your belt, you want to lube up all these linkages and moving parts, and they all admonish you to use only their special lube. You can't go out and buy any old grease for this. Here's a Zerk fitting for that to lube up the bearings in the blade spindle there. And I'm here to tell you, it doesn't make a bit of difference. Oops, I said a bad word. Sorry about that. To the bearings in here. If your bearings are crunchy and sound bad, you're going to have to replace the bearings or replace the whole spindle, either one. The bearings are easy enough to replace, but the point being is you can lube that or not. It's not going to have any bearing, no pun intended, on the bearings in here, and I'll show you why. Okay, so I've already actually taken all this off because you need an impact wrench or a breaker bar or something. And this is actually what you would have to do if you were going to replace the bearings anyway. But this nut comes off, the pulley itself comes off, and then the other half, this pops off of here. And then I'll take you to the other side and we'll pull out this spindle from the blade side. So here we are on the underside of the mower. I've already removed the blade, but we're going to pull out this shaft of this spindle, and you're going to see that there is a bushing on here that comes off separately. All right, put that down, and then the bearing itself comes off. And here's the dirty little secret. This bearing, by the way, is a sealed bearing. It doesn't matter how much grease you put in there. It's never going to get into the ball bearings that are inside of there. So the threat that you're going to ruin your bearings without using our special grease is total fabrication. All right, so there you have it. The lawnmower manufacturer's dirty little secret. Hope you learned something. I kind of didn't because I already knew it. But if you did learn something, please push the like and subscribe button, and I can make more of these videos. Thanks for watching. I'm the lawnmower lady, and as I like to say, mow happy.